Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Key Loves Marketing, where I show you how to make money with affiliate marketing and how to make money online. If you're interested in how to make money online, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I am going to show you how you can make money teaching other people how to play video games. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can make money another way with video games. Oh my goodness. So if you like video games and you enjoy playing them and you don't mind teaching a newbie, like stay in this video, okay? Because this video is for you. And if you're interested in a different way to make money online, make sure you stay to the end because I got the right one for you. And I will see you in this video, okay? Let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys? I'm about to be showing you how you can make money teaching other people how to play video games. So all you have to do is go to this site right here, 𝐬𝐴𝐷𝐺𝐺, okay? Type it in on Google and go to this website. It says GG for real, okay? That's the dot, all right? So guys, this website is the website in which you will be teaching other people how to make money playing your favorite video game. Your favorite game, okay? You already know how to play this. All you gotta do is come up here to become an expert, alright, and sign up. Alright, so here's how it works. This is how it works, okay? So, this is made for unique playing styles and learning styles. Training plans designed to make your customer a monster. Listen to this. This is basically them promoting everybody's services on here. I'm going to read it from off and how they say it, okay? Training plan designs to make you a monster. They're basically talking to the person who wants to be taught by any trainer on here. Your training plan provides a structured tailored learning experience that kicks your butts. Well, that will kick your butt so you can turn around and kick other players' butts, okay? This is all about winning and taking control and mastering the field in your own whichever world in video games you play on. I don't know what platform you play on. So look, this is basically promotion for your services. Whoever wants to teach people how to play video games, this is promotion for your services by 𝐬𝐴𝐷𝐺𝐺, okay? Let's go over and see how you can start making money teaching people how to play video games, the games that you already love and enjoy already. Alright, so all you have to do, like I said, is become an expert and sign up, okay? If you make the cut, you will be the first customer and write a check for $150 worth of lessons, okay? Why you should start teaching on 𝐬𝐴𝐷𝐺𝐺. Here is why. Take home every dollar you make, okay? Every dollar you make. You know how you work on other platforms, maybe like drop shipping or Amazon fulfillment, and they take out money. They take out money when you're making money. They take a cut. Baby, you get 100% of the money and the time that you spend into this, okay? And next thing, set your own hours. You are your own boss here. When it comes down to your video games, you know how to play these video games. You can teach people after you've done played your video games, after you got off of work. Okay, so you got off of work. You play your video games by yourself for maybe 30 minutes, and then you be like, I want to make some money now. Now you invite somebody with you to learn how to make video games for another 30 minutes, and you done made some money, okay? Made some money teaching people how to play video games, okay? And guess what? You can teach it your way. Teach it your way. There's no correct way on how you can teach somebody. Okay, no correct way. Make sure you teach them how you got to where you are at. Okay, because these are newbies. These are people who need help. Teach them, like show them your mistakes and show them what you did to improve your mistakes when it comes down to like people or building something and creating a good environment when it comes down to you in your video game. I don't know which platform you're on because there's a lot of games out there. So If you're interested in another way in which you can make money with video games, stay with me, okay? Stay with me, because we are going to head over to Twitch. We're going to head over to Twitch, okay? Because Twitch is a live stream platform for everything, but we are talking about video games specifically for this video, okay? So, do you not see all these views already? Just as views, 12K, 15, 7, even 7K, 5K. Look at these, 51K, 51K. Look at these views. Majority of these people are live streaming video games. All you have to do to be a part of Twitch is sign up, log in and sign up and become a part of the Twitch world. You can make money per view. Okay? Look at this. According to Quora's answer from a Twitch streamer, you can get paid $3.50 every 1,000 viewers, ad viewers, okay? Every 1,000. You see those people is making 51,000 views, alright? And I'm going to show you another way, because it's not just views. You can make money from Twitch. It's not just views. It's multiple ways. You have to expand your horizon. So, if you're interested in making money on Twitch, find another way to make money on Twitch, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because I am dropping gems. And if you're interested in how to make money the way I do with affiliate marketing, make sure you check my link below for your free training on 3 different ways on how you can make money online absolutely free, and pick up your free affiliates marketing guide by your girl. You already know. Let's get into the video. Let's finish it. For you guys who like, comment, and subscribe and is willing to stay into the end, because I'm about to expose the different ways, 8 different ways you can make money on Twitch. Okay, we already went through viewer subscription. Alright, well, we went through viewers, okay? And you can get money by viewer subscription, okay? Patreon subscription. You can create a Patreon. And then affiliate marketing, okay? Y'all be sleeping on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is everywhere. Affiliate marketing, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, make sure you scroll. Go in that description, press that arrow dot, and then it will show you my free training and that free guide for you to pick it up. And then you have brand sponsorships. You have viewer donation. People who love your content, they will donate to support you. And then you have Twitch bits. Twitch bits. Bits. And then you have merchandise. You can create a print on demand store and create your own merchandise. And you have ad revenue. Alright, now, so if you're interested in making money online, okay, like your girl, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I will see you in my next video, okay?